Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today we will discuss about 10th class English 8th unit Women Rights. In that C reading What is my name? So in that part 4. Drawn broken by the search for the certificates among the files in the arch had not ended. Now the wife asked everyone she met. Asked the trees, the antils and ponds, the school where she had studied, the college. After all the shoutings and wailing, she met a friend and succeeded in the recovering her name. So here what happened? She searched ag, almar and everything she searched, but she could not find her certificate. So here the housewife, she went to the school, she met the trees where she played. Everywhere she found, she searched, she shouted, but nobody has recognized her name. So suddenly she met with his old friend. So at that time she shouted by her name. At that time she recognized her name. She recovered her name. That friend was also like her, married and has a housewife like her, but she had not made scrubbing the whole purpose of her life. Scrubbing was only a part of her life. She remembered her name and the names of her friends. This particularly friend recognized our housewives. So here her friend also has wife, but she recognized everything. Here this housewife is completely involved in houseworking. So here she forgotten her life, she forgotten her name completely. She was completely involved her life. So here the friend is saying that, so here the clubbing and cleaning is only a part of life. So here you should not completely involve that is only your life. So you have to remember the other things also, she advised her. Sharada, my dear Sharada, she shouted and embraced her. The housewife felt like a person totally praised and dried up, about to die of thirst, getting a drink of cool water from the new earthen koja pouring into her mouth with a spoon and gives us a new life. So here her friend is calling the housewife as Sharada, my dear Sharada, she was shouted. So here at that time the housewife understood that my name is Sharada. So here she at that time she was listening her name, she was getting totally dehydrated and dried up. So here she is dying for thirst, and when the person is dying for thirsty, if anyone give a cool water, so here at the time, so earthen puja, so when we are keeping a mouth with a spoon of water, at the time the new life begins. In the same way, when her friend is calling her name as Sharda, so here she thought that now my new life has been begins. The friend did indeed give her a new life. You are Sharda. You came first in our school in the 10th class. You came first in the music competition conducting by the college. You used to paint good pictures too. We are 10 friends all together. I met all of them, sometimes or others. We write letters to each other. Only you have gone out of our reach. Tell me why you are living in Incognita. Incognita, her friend confined her. So here she is asking to her friend, housewife Sharada. Okay, why Sharada? You are very talented girl. You are our school first in 10th standard. You are first in the competition conducted by the college. You used to do good paintings. So we are 10 friends together. I made some of them, but except you. So before marriage, we used to write letters to each other. So you have only gone out of our reach. So why you are living as having a concealed identity? Why you are forgotten your identity? Why you have become like that? Yes, Pramila. What you say is true. Of course, I am Sharda. Until you said it, I could not remember it. All the sleeves of my mind was taken up and with only one thing, how well I can scrub the floor. So here she is saying that, yes, Pramila, what you say it is true. I forgotten my name. So when you called me as Sharda at that time, I recalled all the things, how I become. My mind, I kept all my mind when scrubbing the floor. I did not remember anything else. Had that I had not met you, I would have gone mad, said her housewife named Sharda. If you don't call me with my name, so by thinking I will become a mad person, the housewife said. Sharda turned home, climbing the attic and finished out her certificates, the pictures she has drawn, old albums, everything she succeeded in getting out. She also researched further and managed to find the prizes she had received in school and colleges. So when the Pramila has recognized about her things, so she went home and she searched to find out her certificates. So what the pictures she has drawn, old albums, everything she searched, and whatever the prizes she got, so in school and college she recognized. So here, overjoyed, she returned home. You had not been here. Look at the state of house. It's like a cold tree. Oh, what's a relief you are here. Now it is like a festival for us, said Sharda's husband. So here he said that, so here Sharda's husband is saying that when you left the house here, it won't look like as a house. So when you came home here, it will look like as a festival. So here Sharda's wife's husband said, just scrubbing the floor does not make a festival. By the way, for now onwards, don't call me Emoi Gemi. My name is Sharda. Call me Sharda. Understood? So here she is saying that only cleaning the house is not a festival. So here now onwards, you don't call me as Emoi. Now I have name. You call me as Sharda. Understood? She is warning. She is giving him. Having said that, she went inside humming joyously. So here her husband said that now onwards I will call you as Sharda. So here she went inside happily, and she was doing her own. Sharda, who had always cared so much for discipline, keeping an eye on every corner, checking if there was dust, making sure things was properly arranged, each in its correct and representative order, now sat on the sofa, which she had not been dusted for the 2 days. She sat there showing the children an album of her paintings that she had brought for them. So here Sharda has been realized that in those days she was much cared about the discipline, and so she was busy in cleaning the every corner, and she was decorating her home in a proper order. So here now she sat on the sofa, which was uncleaned for 2 days. So she sat and she was showing the album to the childrens. So she painted and she brought all for them. So she said that she brought the album for their childrens. So here ఇక్కడ ఆ, ఇక్కడ ఆమె వాళ్ళ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కోసం వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్తుంది. సో సర్టిఫికేట్స్ అన్నీ చూస్తూనే ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఎక్కడ ఆమెకి కనిపించదు. సో వాళ్ళ డాడీ వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు, అది ఎక్కడనో బీరువాలో పెట్టినా అంటారు. కానీ అంతగా అడిగినా కానీ వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ అనేవి దొరకవు. సో ఆమె చదివిన స్కూల్కి, అక్కడ కాలేజ్కి, అక్కడిక్కడికి వెళ్తుంటుంది. సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కోసం వెళ్ళినా ఎక్కడ ఆమెకి సర్టిఫికేట్స్ అనేవి కనిపించవు. అంతలో స్కూల్లో అటు ఇటు అంతా తిరిగేసరికి లాస్ట్కు ఒక వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆమెని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది, శారద అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు ఆమె ఏంటిది, అరే నా నేము అంటే శారద అని తలుచుకుంటుంది, నా నేమ్ అనేది శారద అనుకొని. సో అతను మళ్ళీ అక్కడ ఏంటిది, మనం స్కూల్లో ఎన్ని డేస్ వచ్చినాం, నువ్వు కాలేజ్లో పెయింటింగ్లో మ్యూజిక్లో అన్ని దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ఉన్నావు కదా, మరి నువ్వు ఇలా మర్చిపోతున్నావు, ఇలా అయిపోతున్నావు అంటే, సో అప్పుడు ఆమె ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి అన్ని సర్టిఫికెట్స్ తీసుకొని గుర్తు చేసుకుంటాను, అరే నేను ఎంత మంచిగా ఉన్నా, నేను ఈ ఇంట్లో పనిలో పడి నా నేమ్ కూడా మర్చిపోయేంత స్టేట్కి అయిపోయినా, సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఏ పని అంతే చేయాలి, కానీ నేను అనేవి ఇంట్లో పనిలో పడి నా నేము ఇవన్నీ మర్చిపోకుండా ఉండాలి అని తెలుసుకుంటుంది. సో అక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ ఆ సర్టిఫికెట్స్ అన్నీ తీసుకొని ఆల్బమ్స్ అన్నీ చూసుకొని మళ్ళీ అవన్నీ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ హస్బెండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో అది జరిగిందంతా వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్కి చెప్తుంది. సో అప్పుడు వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ ఏమంటాడు, నువ్వు ఇంత మంచిగా చదువుకున్నావు, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అయింది, జాబ్ చేస్తున్నావు, పెయింటింగ్లో ఉన్నావు, మ్యూజిక్లో ఉన్నావు, మరి ఇలా మర్చిపోతున్నావు, ఎందుకు ఇలా అయిపోతున్నావు, సో నువ్వు లేని 2 days ఈ హౌస్కి ఫెస్టివల్ అనేది లేదు, మొత్తం చీకటిగా అయిపోయింది అండి. సో అప్పుడు ఆమె ఏమంటుంది, హౌస్ క్లీనింగ్ చేస్తేనే ఫెస్టివల్ కాదు, నిజంగా ఫెస్టివల్ అంటే అన్నీ గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి నన్ను ఏమోయి అనకుండా శారద అని పిలవండి అని చెప్తుంది. సో పిల్లలకి కూడా ఏంటిది, ఇన్ని డేస్ నుంచి నేను ఈ ఇంట్లో క్లీనింగ్ డిసిప్లిన్ అవన్నీ దాంట్లో పడి నా నేము లేకుండా మర్చిపోయినా అన్నీ, సో అక్కడ ఆ డస్ట్ మీద ఉన్న సోఫా మీద కూర్చొని వాళ్ళ పిల్లలకి ఆల్బమ్ అనేది చూపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, ఆమె గెలిచిన ప్రైజెస్ పెయింటింగ్స్ అన్నీ చూపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇవన్నీ మీకోసమే తీసుకొచ్చిన అని చెప్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.